As a content creator, have you ever thought of AI tools that could help you create videos, could help you create images, or clone your voice, or maybe duplicate your voice for you? In this video, we are going to be explaining top 7 AI tools that you could use as a content creator. First AI to use for content creation is Gemini AI. So Gemini I would describe it as a productive and a research tool because Gemini is a quite a multi-purpose tool. You can use it and create image. You can use it for your personal research. You can use it for your personal research too. You can also likewise use it to. You can also connect it to different apps. So let me show you guys what I mean. Connect to different apps here. So this is okay. This is the connect. Guys, if you want to do your personal research and you want it to be easier for you, you can connect it to your Gmail, connect it to your Google Docs, connect it to your Google Drive. You can likewise connect it to other apps here that we have here Canva, we have here Dropbox, we have Verify AI, we have a lot, I believe we have a lot. So because I haven't paid for the pro plan, that's it. So I guess if you pay for the pro plans, you have many connected app that you can see through it. That's it. So Gemini can be used for your personal research. Gemini can be used for your personal research now. How you want to do your personal research is very important. You don't just come to Gemini and ask. Let's say I will give you an example. Let's say ask what is this particular thing. How let me say what is how let's say documentary about China. Documentary about China. No, you don't write it like you don't write documentary about China. You don't write documentary about China. So what you do is you prompt it better. You prompt it better. It will give you a better prompt and a better documentary about China. You put the year, put the particular year that you're looking for. Just prompt it very well. That is how you get every single thing. So for this video, I'm not going to be talking about in depth of each of these tools I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to be showing you guys so that you guys have clue of these tools. But just in case you do not know how to prompt properly, don't know how to prompt properly, I have a bonus for you at the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you. I have something for you at the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you so that I can guide you on how to prompt properly. So the next tool we have is Google VU. Google VU. Now, Google VU. This is a popular AI tool that can be used to generate video. So you can generate from an image to a video using this particular tool. So I have used it only once, to be sincere. I've used it only once. Since then, I haven't used it again. The tools I really use is I really use ChatGPT and I also use Grok. Yeah, I also use Grok to do my that is from image to video. But I know definitely about that this AI to give you what you want. Also give you you can prompt from your image to your video. So our next AI tool that we have here is just in case you want to start, you click let's just click here, get start and see what you have. So you click there, that is taking you to the AI studio. Taking to the AI studio. But the next AI software that we have is Midjourney. So Midjourney is an awesome platform where you can generate, where you can type a prompt and generate it to an image and likewise a video. Likewise, this is a video aspect of it. So okay, I think that. So if you want to join Midjourney, what you simply do is you sign up with them. You cannot access any of their tools here. There are no free tools here. You cannot access it for free. You can must simply pay for it before you can access it. Before you can use it, sorry for that. Before you can use it. So if I click on here, create it there. This is exactly you want to join before you can use it. But it's an amazing tool where you can generate from video, sorry, from a prompt to video or from prompts to an image. The next tool that we have here for you, I think that's the number Direct to that third one. The fourth one we have here is the Almighty 11 Lab. Almighty 11 Lab. Yeah, 11 Lab is an AI software that you can that helps you voice over and helps you clone your voice, helps you clone your voice and helps you voice over. This is now this text to speech can also generate music for you, can also speech to text, can also clean your voice for you. So in case you want to use, in case you're looking for a software that you want to clean your voice, I recommend Lab for you. It's an amazing tool, amazing tool, amazing tools. I have most of my friends that are using these AI tools a lot, but I'm not really using this. I'm using my own real voice for now. Maybe later on I'll get used to that. I'll hop into that, but I recommend this tool for you. So the next tool that we have here, that's the number five tool, is Opus Clip. Opus Clip. Opus Clip is a recent, and would I say a recent website AI tool? Recent because I think last year, you know your Opus Clip, you know your Opus Clip, I heard of it this year. So what does Opus Clip do for you? As a creator, maybe you are finding it very difficult to shorten your clips. Like you have created a very long video and you want to shorten it into turn it into a short clip. Opus Clip, I recommend Opus Clip for you. Opus Clip for you. Opus Clip does the job like no other. So this is it. You can drop your link of the video, of the long video, take notes, the long video that you want to split into shorts. And you can, or you can likewise upload it, but before that you have to sign up. You have to sign up and use the platform. This is how it is it you can share all those clips to different social media platform. So the next one we have to Opus Clip is based for repurposing short long clip. Is based for splitting a long videos into short clip. So the next one we have here is you guys already know these ones. That's we have Canva. We have Canva. Let's see. So Canva, I recently have been using Canva though, using it to try to create my own personal thumbnail for my video. So Canva, I would describe it as a platform that's a template platform that you can use to create your image. You can likewise use to create these shots. You can likewise use it to create any I think yeah, short videos, but not long videos, just short video. And Canva is a very awesome platform. Yeah, it makes things easier for us that are not designers. You know, so it makes things easier for us that are not designer. That you see, we are not like pro designer. That way we have to hop into software like Photoshop. Then we can start spending much time there. So it makes things easy. Give us an already used template that we can use to create our thumbnail, our image for any. Okay, the last one that we have here is Adobe Firefly. But Adobe Firefly is an awesome platform where you can turn an image to video. Likewise, you can also prompt your text and it gives you a particular image of your choice. That's Adobe Firefly for you guys. So the last offer, so before the video start, at the beginning of the video, I told you guys I have an offer for you in case. So this is unboxing AI. So I create this course just in case you're a beginner, you want to learn about artificial intelligence. So I just create a particular course where I boxing about six particular topics, six particular key topic on artificial intelligence where you can learn on. So we have the introduction of AI, we have generative AI, we have using AI in your to your advantage in any industry, monetizing with AI and monetizing AI in content creation. Lastly, we have AI prompting in your industry. So this particular tool, I assure you guys are going to have the base of this tool. Not just that, we also offer a particular bonus for you guys that are joining. We do daily, often as much as possible. We are going to always update the version of this course for you guys because every single day we are having new AI tools that are just coming out. Just like recently now we had Kim 3 came out just recently now. So just that's how it is. So we also have as years go as months goes by, we are going to also have what is called course affiliate marketing, just in case most of you guys speak interest in promoting it, but not today. That is the long run. We are just showing you guys what we are going to offer you guys that are going to be purchasing this. And the last one, we are going to be showing you 1 hour community discussion or class every Thursday. It's coming soon, coming soon. So we're gonna be having a 1 hour discussion on artificial strictly artificial intelligence. So guys, thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. Do not forget to master AI today. Thank you.